We have quite a bit of updates today, but I'm not gonna waste your time with 20 minutes video, so make sure to stick until the end, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight into the update. The first thing first is the Metamask AIRDROP Season 1 is coming. The rewards, as we see here, has finished for Season 1, and we're gonna get the rewards. So, straight into it. What are the rewards? Well, as we see here, we're gonna get some linear token allocation, depending on the level that you are. We're gonna get some Nansen AI Pro discount, some Yuga Labs otherwise exclusive other side avatars, and also Metal cards for MetaMask for 1 year for free for some of the users depending on the various level and activity. Now, there is no claiming button whatsoever. This is not has yet happened. You will be able to go and see your rewards and your, let's say, your rewind of Season 1 on the MetaMask mobile app. But as of right now, do not click anything because there is nothing. One airdrop that it is to go and claim effectively as of yesterday is the Sentient airdrop. I will leave the link down below. I am not eligible for this one, but all you gotta do through the links, make sure to go and connect your wallet and verify. If you have the eligibility to go and do with the airdrop and to the wallet, the MetaMask, the Rainbow, whichever wallet you use, make sure to go and check for the Twitter. It is very, very important that over on the Twitter side and on the Discord side, I saw a lot of people receiving a lot of money for it. So make sure to go and check it out. Also, it is my birthday today. Just wanted to point that out. So thank you everybody for the support in the recent years. Really appreciate it. On to the next protocol over here, the One More Moonbirds SBT Soulbound Token NFTs X Burial. All you gotta do, go to the website down below. There is the minting.moonbirds.com landing page. And over here, as we see, I have earned a new badge as well, the Aster badge. And if you are eligible, make sure to come here to the burials.moonbird. The first one, claim now. And if you're able to go and claim, simply click over on claim now and it will scan your, as you see here, your wallet. And if you want to go and check what have you been eligible for and what not, over here, if you go to the badge verification, you have the Aster, the Kaito, the Jumper, the Orca, etc, etc. So it is really, really easy to go and do. But as I said, for today, there is not much to go and check. We can go and check a little bit of the stats in terms of the DeFi protocol, and once again I will leave you the link of Gravity down below, but Gravity, it is still pushing. You can see these nice highs. We are at a 2 billion daily volume, which in my opinion, with all of the open interest, 500 million in open interest, we can easily see a total value when the token will launch, in my opinion, of, I would say, 1 billion. Like, I am really hoping for the 1 billion fully diluted value. But as we see here, I still have, as we always go and see, I still have my Gravity token and the open position over here on Link and Hype. And if you want to go and join, make sure to come and join now. Make sure to trade over on Gravity because it is the next big multi-billion-dollar project in terms of DeFi and exchanges. It still needs to have a token. It launches in Q1 2026, so within this end of January and I would believe March. And yeah, so make sure to come, make sure to participate, get your token, get your airdrop, and thank me later once it goes live. But with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.